Buy B2B leads. Average cost per lead, and is it worth it? AnyBiz. Are you ready to become your business hero? Discover the formula for exponential company growth with B2B leads. These leads are crucial in driving market growth and revenue by connecting you with potential buyers of your goods or services. Over 60% of marketers find generating traffic and leads to be their main challenge. Traditional methods like cold calling are being replaced by data-driven strategies, enhancing resource optimization and return on investment. Is buying B2B leads worth it? It promises instant access to potential clients, especially for startups and expanding companies. However, consider the ethical implications before making a decision. To generate B2B leads online, use content marketing, SEO, social media, personalized emails, networking events, referrals, webinars, PPC ads, influencer partnerships, engaging videos, cold outreach, online directories, retargeting, interactive tools, and live chats. B2B lead lists can boost growth by providing quick access to contacts. Success comes from personalized outreach, effective segmentation, and targeted strategies. Analyzing data helps understand customer preferences, turning leads into lasting relationships. Buying B2B leads offers quick access to potential clients and can boost sales efforts. However, it carries risks like outdated contacts, high costs, reputational damage, and legal issues. While it's tempting for rapid growth, businesses must carefully consider these drawbacks against their long-term strategy. Understanding legal and ethical issues in B2B leads is crucial. For example, Tech Innovate bought a lead list only to find many contacts hadn't opted in, violating GDPR. This can lead to fines and damage reputation. Companies must source leads responsibly and comply with data protection laws to uphold ethical standards. Main platforms to buy B2B leads. ZoomInfo offers extensive data and advanced search features, providing sales signals, updated firm profiles, and accurate contact information. With AI-driven updates, it ensures users access the latest data, making it ideal for strategic account targeting. Apollo offers a large B2B lead database and CRM integration for improved workflow automation. It supports sales efforts with features like engagement tracking, email sequencing, and lead scoring, making it an excellent tool for sales teams to optimize outreach. Sales Navigator uses LinkedIn's network to help salespeople connect with decision makers. It offers advanced search filters, lead organization tools, and custom recommendations for personalized outreach based on user behavior. UpLead provides real-time contact data verification for accuracy. With tools like Technographics for business insights, it simplifies prospecting and engagement for sales teams through an easy-to-use interface. Lead pricing is key in B2B purchases. Low-quality leads cost $20-$40 with basic info and low conversions. Medium-quality leads are $50 $100, offering verified details. High-quality leads exceed $100, providing detailed insights and higher conversion rates. Discounts for bulk purchases and subscription services can reduce costs, while customization may increase them. Buying pre-made lead lists is costly and often outdated. AnyBiz offers a more efficient and reliable solution, transforming lead generation in B2B marketing with tools that enhance effectiveness and efficiency. AI tools like AnyBiz offer real-time data updates, reducing costs through automation for higher ROI. They improve lead targeting and conversion rates by analyzing data and ensure compliance with data protection laws, protecting businesses and building trust. Overall, AI-driven lead generation is more efficient, cost-effective, and reliable for B2B marketing. Using the 7-day free trial will help you to really appreciate the advantages and possibilities of AnyBiz. This chance lets you see yourself how AnyBiz might revolutionize your lead-generating systems without any prior commitment. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and updates.